Am I the only one that didn't know the world's tallest Art Deco statue was built atop a mountain? Exposing the breathtaking story behind Christ the Redeemer's rise over Rio. Let's uncover how faith and engineering met the sky. On Mount Corcovado, Christ the Redeemer stands with open arms, welcoming all who gaze up. Born from Brazil's dream for a national monument after independence, it was the Catholic Circle of Rio who first imagined this colossal figure watching over the city. In 1926, construction began. Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa designed the structure, while French sculptor Paul Landowski shaped its gentle features. Built from reinforced concrete and coated in gleaming soapstone, the statue stretches 30 meters high, with arms spanning nearly the width of a cricket pitch. Thousands of tiles were painstakingly set by hand, carried up steep trails by dedicated workers. In 1931, Christ the Redeemer was unveiled, instantly capturing the world's imagination. Today, it's more than a monument. It's a beacon of love, resilience, and hope, welcoming millions, day and night, with open arms. Christ the Redeemer remains a silent guardian over Rio, reminding us that the spirit of unity can rise above the